Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another weekly market update where we do take a look at the market from both a technical and a fundamental perspective. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, we obviously have no news coming through this week. We maybe have medium impact or low impact, but there's no high impact news coming through. Christmas is on Monday. Merry Christmas and to everybody out there celebrating it on Monday. And yeah, so it's probably going to be a quiet week as we can see. What we do want to speak about is the stock market very quickly. It says here the S&P 500 rose Friday after cooler inflation data. It also says the NASDAQ was up 0.19%. The three major averages not their 8th positive week in a row, and this is also due to signs of the Feds now being less likely to do the interest rate hikes as we anticipated. However, they did say we can expect it. We can expect the interest rates to start seeing a drop if inflation continues to cool down in the new year. Now, first we're going to take a look at the index. The index fell basically, and again, this is the beauty of price action. You can see how the price has played out all the way to the downside. Firstly, you can see over here, market broke below support, tested it as resistance. The market broke below support there, tested it as resistance once again. Now, the market's once again faced at a strong support. Now, obviously, if you're looking at the previous price action, you clearly know what to expect next, right? So this is the level that I am referring to over here. This level acted as resistance. We got a massive break to the upside, came back to test it as support. This market also consolidated, as you can see over there, and we had a break of the consolidation, as some people would say. The lollipop thing came into play, but is this the break of a consolidation? And this level of here is now broke below that, acted as a level of support, is now turned resistance. Going to the new week, I do expect a pullback to that level. Obviously have to monitor the price action as we continue there as well. Next up, we've got gold, right? Let me just remove this. That was probably for the testing of the signals. A lot of people has been giving me names of people to test also. There is two groups that I am busy with. Well, I'm busy with one. I'm waiting to be added to the next one, and I potentially might join another one today. Another thing is that some of the groups that you guys are recommending is, whoa, it's way too expensive. To give you an example, FX Mamba, he charges like 2,800 for 1 month of NASDAQ signals. No, I don't know. Unfortunately, I can't pay that much just for a single month of signals. And trust me, I've seen the reviews on him. He's not worth 2,800. Any case, now gold over here has obviously got a lot of liquidity to fill, and also when you have a candle with a body with a long wick, you can always expect the market to go and fill in that wick. We can see here the inverted head and shoulders that I was talking about over here that played out beautifully to the upside, and the market had not yet reached resistance. However, if you look slightly left, we can see we had broken above a strong level of resistance. All of that resistance is now turned support. Going into the new week, I'd probably expect a slight but deeper pullback, because expecting a pullback on the index, and because of the negative correlation between the precious metal and the dollar index, we obviously expect this to weaken, as we do expect the market to go higher. Now, this market is way overboard. The good thing now is that we actually have structure. As you guys remember, the last time I said that we basically waited for this market to create structure first. We can see we broke above this strong level of resistance. We broke above this strong level of resistance. The market never came back to retest any of these levels. Now, as a trader, if you are looking to get into this market, there's obviously an opportunity to trade this range first. However, if you want to go long term, you need to wait for a clear break below this level of support that would then turn resistance, which would serve as a confirmation that the market momentum is ready to shift to the downside. However, just for the market to correct itself as well. Next up, we've got the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, however, had broken below resistance, broken above that, came back, tested it as support. However, this is also a market that is now created structure that is also heavily overbought to the upside. Now remember, just because the market is heavily overbought to the upside, it doesn't mean that it can't go any higher, right? So again, this market, you could probably trade the range. However, a clear breaker structure would give us a clear confirmation in terms of what the bias would be on this market. Now, I know a lot of people's going to say, my bias is bearish, and some people's going to say, my bias is bullish. I don't have a bias on a consolidation market, and especially with the lack of news that we are expecting this week as well. Sorry about that, my good friends. Next up, we've got the Minister of German 30. Oh, sorry. See there, I give away the person who I'm busy reviewing at the moment. Any case, here we go. So I did this breakdown the last time, like I said, we can expect. Now, this is why I am doing this. You guys, if you followed the last breakdown that I did, you would have seen exactly, I said we can expect this move to the downside. I still expect this move to the downside. However, we created structures, multiple sides, right? But there is really, I don't understand, you guys. There's really no reason to pay anybody to send you a signal if you just follow what I tell you to do. Okay, now you probably wonder why I would give you all of this stuff for free, because I care about the people. I just need to get an M5, an actual M5 though, because some people claim to be having M5s. Guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to pin a comment on this video. Let me know what pairs you want me to analyze tomorrow, and I will do that. I will analyze all the pairs that are listed in that comment there as well. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the weekend, and as always, cheers for ears, my good friends.